Hi everyone, in today's video we are diving into system data on your iPhone and how to reduce it. For years, iOS has dealt with an odd issue where system data can take up a huge chunk of your device's storage. If you are one of these users struggling with this, don't worry, I'll show you how to bring that system data down significantly. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is get rid of any apps you don't need. When you first get an iPhone, it often comes with several pre-installed apps from Apple. If you have a folder full of apps you never use, like Home, go ahead and delete them. For example, if you're not using the Home app, removing it will instantly free up space and reduce system data. This applies to any Apple apps you no longer need. Delete them directly from your devices. Next, let's tackle apps that have been on your iPhone for over a year. These are often social media apps like Instagram or Telegram. To check this, go to Settings, then General, and tap iPhone Storage. Look for apps taking up significant space. For example, Instagram might be using 3 GB or more, and Telegram could take up 7 GB. By deleting and then reinstalling these apps, you'll clear out the cache and history, which will help reduce system data. If your iPhone is a couple of years old and these apps have been installed for a long time, this is a great way to reclaim space. Just remember to check iPhone storage regularly for the apps taking the most space. Messages can be one of the biggest culprits when it comes to system data. First, open the Messages app. Tap Edit at the top left corner and select Show Recently Deleted. This will display conversations you thought were deleted but are still taking up space. Make sure to permanently delete these old messages. Next, go to Settings, scroll down, tap Apps and find two messages. Tap on it and look for the Keep Messages option. By default, this is set to Forever, which means every message stays on your phone indefinitely. Changing it to 1 year or 30 days will automatically delete older messages and reduce system data. For example, if you set it to 30 days, any conversation older than that will be removed, freeing up space on your devices. Finally, take a look at Safari. Go to Settings, find Safari, and scroll down and find Clear History and Website Data. Tap it and make sure to clear all history. Just keep in mind that this will close all app tabs, so save anything important beforehand. Once cleared, this will free up cached data stored by Safari, reducing system data even further. Once you completed all these steps, power off your iPhone and restart it. After rebooting, you should see a noticeable drop in system data usage. If your system data was high as 15 or 16 GB, these steps should bring it down to under 10 GB. I hope this guide helps you free up storage on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.